Hey friends, it's the Valentine's Day Minis Challenge hosted by Crafted by Cory. Links to Cory's channel and the playlist in the description box. Okay, I'm starting out with a wooden hanging heart piece from Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint this with a bit of apple barrel matte white on both sides. Now I have some apple barrel light mocha. And with my wooden heart fully dry, on one side I'm going to use this Chalk Couture French Country transfer stencil and some black transfer paste to cover this, to give a like French Country shabby chic type look to this heart. And you only have to use very little on these transfers, and you put them on with the squeegee. And this transfer is super sticky, so when I ripped it off, it actually pulled up a piece of the wood from this heart, and I had to just go back over it with some more of that apple barrel white and cover that up. And below my butterfly stencil, I'm going to add this ranunculus and eucalyptus sticker at the bottom of my heart to finish this side off. And for the back, I have two leftover pieces of rub-on transfers that I used last year. And I'm going to cover it with some matte Mod Podge. Okay, so this is how it looks with the Mod Podge fully dry on both sides, and I went ahead and added a bead string on some baker's twine from Dollar Tree, and instead of a tassel, I'm going to add this white and pale pink rose on this end. This turned out really nice, and I love the shabby chic look because it can really extend beyond Valentine's Day, and this can be out in my tier tray all year. It just looks so pretty. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Corey is so talented. She does farmhouse, coastal, gorgeous trash to treasures. She even has different channels. She has Come On Over with Corey, meditation. Do yourself a favor and check out her channels. Okay, for this next DIY, I have a color your own ornament, the mug, the wooden mug with the faux whip, and a bit of ballet slipper by Waverly to cover this in, and a little sweetheart sticker, a conversation heart. Okay, this is all dry. For my whip, I'm going to use this fabric paint from DollarTree. And I'm just gonna add just a few little glass bead sprinkles. And then I added a piece of masking tape so that my words would be even. And I just added candy hearts across the front of my mug to really give it that Rae Dunn-esque feel. Okay, and I have a sticker, a conversation heart sticker that I found last year at DollarTree. A package of them. So I think I'll need to cut off about half of that, and I'll stick that right here on the side. And then I hot glued a tower block to the back of my little mug so it will stand up on my tier tray, and that was it for this DIY. For this DIY, I have a scrap chunk of wood and apple barrel white paint and some cameo pink that I'm going to use with a stencil. I want to put some images on each side of my chunk of wood here. Okay, all the paint is dry on my little block. I have a Martha Stewart stencil, cameo pink apple barrel paint, and a makeup sponge. I'm gonna put a few of these little icons on each side of my block. And here are all of my items on a small tier tray. I think this looks adorable. I've challenged myself to craft my stash this first few months of this new year and not purchase any new craft items, and I'm happy with the way everything turned out. Let me know, what do you think of my 3 Valentine's tier tray items?